Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the AMD Graphics Driver Error number 182 on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, go to your favorite browser, look up AMD Cleanup Utility, right? Click on the very first link, just scroll down a bit and you will see this download link or download option. So click on it, save, and once done, go ahead, run the installer or the exe. It will basically look like this. They actually have a visual. Go ahead, yes, just confirm everything. It might take a few minutes. And once done, it should show up like this. Would you like to reboot now? That's your indication that the installation has been successful. Next, you would like to update or download the software this time. Okay. So go ahead, look up for AMD Driver Adrenaline. Click on the first link, download software, and you will be redirected to the download page for the drivers. So click on this. This would be the most easiest way you can handle the download option. If you're not familiar with your graphics card or your chipset, download this, hit save, and just run the installer. It will take a few minutes. Once done, everything should now be fixed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.